how you can download Play Store on your PCs. So, the first step is to open a browser. It could be any of the browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla, Microsoft Edge, Brave, anything of your preference. And then go to the search bar and type Play Store. And then go to the option where it's written Play Store download. You need to go there, and then you need to go to Android apps on Google Play. Now, this is the interface of the Play Store from where you can download numerous amounts of apps on your devices. This is the type of interface which is shown in our mobiles as well. So, for example, let's say I want to download one app called, let me search for a fitness app, for example. Need to go there and search for 30 days body. Okay, fine, the belly fat challenge. And then I see that this one's over here is the best option. And now I want to download this. But it says that this app is available on your devices, but is not showing anything else, right? Now you need to scroll till down because all the interface of different devices are different. So we might not exactly get the download button as easily as it is shown. And if your device is compatible for download, then in place where it's written install on more devices, this rectangular box right here, you can see the option of download. And also before downloading any apps, you need to make sure to check the reviews, the number of downloads, and various other pros and cons of that app, whether it is really suitable for you or not. And then once you feel like this app is made for you, you can easily click on the download button, which will be available on this very place instead of install on more devices if your device is compatible. And once you download there, it will be stored in the directory of all the downloads in your laptops and PCs. You can go there, log into your account, and then start with the app that you've downloaded. Now, it's this simple to download any apps on Play Store on your PC instead of any of your mobile devices. So I hope you guys learned from this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we hope to see you soon in next videos. Thank you so much.